Today we will be learning lesson number 4, circles. You have already learned few basic things about circles in your previous grade. That is, circle is made up of a curved line and it doesn't have corners or edges. This is what you have learned in your previous classes. Today we will be learning more about circles. You have so many things to learn about circles. Let's start learning one by one. First of all, circle. If anybody asks you what is circle, here is the definition for circle. Circle is a plain, closed figure made up of points that are equidistant from a fixed point. So what do you mean by this? You know, let it be a straight line or a curved line. All the lines are made up with a dot. So even in the circle, you already know it is made up of a curved line, right? So that line is also made up of points. So we have said that it is made up of points. Okay, circle is a plain figure that is made up of points. And also they have mentioned all these points are equal distance from a fixed point. That is, all these points, you know there is a center. In center of the circle, I draw a point and this is the center. Or you also call it as center of the circle. From this point, if I take the distance of any point on the circle here, let us take this point to this point, or let us take from here to here, or from here to here, all this distance will be same. Means if this is 5 centimeter, this also will be 5 centimeter. This also 5 centimeter. Like that you take point on this circle anywhere and measure the distance to the center. You always have the same length. That is the meaning here. So let us say the circle definition once again. Circle is a plain closed figure made up of points that are equal distance from a fixed point. So this is the definition of circle. Now let us go and learn all the parts of the circle. First thing is circumference. Circumference is nothing but this boundary line here which makes the circle rectangle. This boundary line is called circumference. And how do you write it in short form is? You write it using capital C. Circumference is nothing but boundary or perimeter of a circle is called circumference. That is, the boundary here of a circle is called circumference. So next is radius. This is all very important student. Radius, diameter. So understand carefully. Radius. Radius means the distance from the center to any point on the circumference. The distance from here to here. This distance is called radius and you write it as small r. Small r. So once again, what is the radius? Radius is the distance from the center to any point on this circumference. It is only one point. Any one point on the circumference. That is radius. Next we go for diameter. Diameter means it is the distance from one point to the other. Okay. And that distance should be measured along the center. Here, the line I am drawing from this point to this point and I am also joining the center. This big line which I have drawn here is called diameter. And that you write it with the small letter D. So, once again I tell you what is radius. Radius is distance from center to any one point on the circumference. Diameter is distance between 2 points on the circumference, and if the line will pass through the center of the circle. So, I told you this line is diameter, right children? So, if I draw half of this diameter, what happens? You can see that is a line drawing center at one point. That's nothing but radius, right? Yes. So diameter is twice the radius. Means if I draw radius 2 times in opposite sides here, it becomes diameter. Now next we go for chord. Chord. Chord is also a line. Chord is also a line joining 2 points on the circumference. Just like how diameter joins 2 points here on the circumference, chord also is a line joining 2 points on the circumference. Here and here. So, is the diameter not a chord? Yes, diameter is also one of the chord. Okay. But what is the difference between chord and the diameter? Chord is just a line joining 2 points, but diameter is a special type of chord which also joins the center. Okay, and also diameter is the longest chord in any given circle. Next, we are going for arc. What is the arc? Simply to say, arc means a small part of the circumference. Example, if I take a small part from here to here, where I am writing, this part is called arc. Okay, so this part is called arc. So simply, a small part of a circumference is called arc. That might be any part. I have taken here, or I can take from here to here also, any part of the circumference. So now we have finished learning about the parts of a circle. I'll repeat now what we have learned. First, the definition of the circle. Circle is a plain closed figure made up of points which are all equal distance from a fixed point. This is the definition of circle. Next, we go for radius, circumference. Circumference is nothing but the boundary of a circle. It's called circumference. And then radius. Radius is distance from the center to any one point on the circumference. That is radius. Next we go for diameter. Diameter is distance, or you can say the line joining 2 points of the circumference and also passing through center of the circle. And then next we go for chord. Chord is also a line joining any 2 points on the circumference. So diameter is also a special type of chord because that also takes 2 points on the circumference. What is special here is it also touches the center of the circle. And the next is arc. Arc is nothing but a small part of the circumference of a circle. It's called arc. So now we have learned all parts of the circle, and now let us go and see the textbook exercise. And also we will learn how to draw the circle using an instrument called compass. So all of you be ready with the book and your geometry box with your pencil, compass and your scale.
Now let us see how to draw the circle of given radius. So here they are given example radius 5 cm. So how to draw you have to use an instrument called compass. This you can see in your geometrical box. You have protractor, compass, all those things. So this is called compass. We will fix one side with pencil and make sure when you fix it, both are touching at the same end. Here you can see both should have equal height. Okay, so you should fix like this, and you have scale. Please take your scale, open this compass. I have told 5 centimeter, right? So keep it from 0 till 5. Okay, see how I have done. I have opened more. I'll keep one side in 0 and the other side I will press and bring it to 5. Okay children, so I have taken the 5 centimeter. After this you should not press it, otherwise circle will not have the proper length. So this is 5 centimeter. We have to catch like this and then keep it on the book like how they have kept here. Keep it on the book and just you have to keep the tip here and then move the one end of the compass and then you will get the circle. So this is how you draw a circle using your compass. So you can also take your compass and try it. Textbook exercise Sem 2 page number 110. Exercise 4.1. First means say true or false. A circle is a plane closed figure bounded by line segments. Line segments mean straight lines, but in circle you have curved lines. So this statement is wrong. Write F-A-L-S-E, false. A diameter touches 2 points on the circumference passing through the center of the circle. It's true. T-R-U-E, true. A chord has no end points on the circumference of the circle. This is false. Chord will have 2 end points that is on the circumference. So this is false. F-A-L-S-C, false. Radius of same circle are equal. Yes, true. In one same circle, all the radius are equal. Diameter of a circle is twice its radius. Yes, we saw it. Diameter is equals to 2 times radius. So answer is true. Sixth one. An arc is a part of a circumference. Yes, it is a part of a circumference. So it is true. Going for the second mean and the third mean, the sums will be solving it on the board. So let's go for the fourth mean. Fill in the blanks. Fixed point on a circle is called center of the circle. Next, distance from the center of the circle to any point on the circumference is called radius. R-A-D-I-U-S. Half of diameter is equal to, again, radius. The longest chord of a circle is called diameter. D-I-A-M-E-T-E-R. Diameter. Boundary of a circle is called circumference of circle. Circumference of circle. Don't write this, children. Circumference of C-I-R-C-L-E, circle. A line segment having two end points on the circumference of the circle is called chord. C-H-O-R-D, chord. A chord divides the circle into two segments. Now next mean. Identify center, radius and diameter of given circle. You know this is the center. So O is the center. And radius means half here from center to the circumference. So radius is this OD. OD is radius. And this AB joining 2 points on the circumference with passing through the circle center. This is called diameter. So AB is diameter. Similarly, next one, center is O. Radius, you have two radius. One is ON or else you have OM also. You can write any one. Means they have asked for both, so we have to write both here. One is OM or ON. Next, diameter, M to N is called diameter. C1, center of the circle is O. Radius, they have given two columns, so let us write two. One is OQ, another is OP. And the diameter here is this line. So PQ is the diameter. And the last one, oh yeah, done. So we have done with this lesson. This you will see it on the board how to do it. Okay children? Then classwork will be sent in ULO.
So now you have learned all the parts of the circle and also now you know how to draw a circle using your compass. And we have already seen the exercise part in the textbook. Now the second and the third week, which we were not able to do it in the textbook, will be solving on the board now. That is, we'll all do page number 101. Exercise 4.1. Second line, find the diameter of each of the circle whose radius are given. So let us write the given first A, that is symbol R. Radius is given, right? So I will write it in short form. Radius R is equals to T centimeter. Now what should we find? We should find diameter. So you already know how, if I have radius, if I double the radius, I get the diameter. Double means you multiply with 2. So multiply radius with 2, you get the diameter. So 2 into what is the radius? 3 centimeter. So 2 3s are 6. So diameter is 6 centimeter. This is the answer. Okay, so next I am going to B1 here. R, this radius 5 centimeter. So diameter will be 2 into 5. 2 5 is 10 centimeter. C question. Radius is equal to 7 centimeter. So diameter is 2 into 7. 2 7s are 14 centimeter. And B1, 11 centimeter. So diameter will be 2 into radius, that is 11. 2 11s are 22 centimeter. E question, 14 centimeter. So diameter is 2 into radius, is 14. 2 14s is 28. 28 centimeter. So I have done half of the sum, you just try it out and we will discuss again in the interactive class. And I also will send the notes below. So please don't write this in classwork part. So now you know how to find radius, means how to find diameter if radius is given. Now let us go for the third meaning. What does third meaning tell? It tells us to find the radius of each of the circles whose diameter is given below. So, in the third meaning, they have given you diameter, that is B. We will find radius, R. So, let me take the first one. Diameter is 4 centimeters. So, how will I find the radius? You all know, in the diameter, if I cut half, it gives me radius. So, cutting half means you have to divide the diameter with 2. Okay? Cutting half means you are dividing it into 2. So, diameter divided by 2 gives you radius. So, let's write diameter is 4 centimeter divided by 2. So, how do you divide this? 2 ones are 2. So, answer is 1 here. In 2 ones are it is where you get 4. 2 twos are 4. So, cancel and write 2. So, answer is 2 centimeter. Below 1, if you write it is also same, below write it is also same. 2 by 1 is also same as 2. So, the answer is 2 centimeter. Radius is 2 centimeter. Let's go for the second one. Diameter is 6 centimeter. So, radius will be divided by 2. 6 by 2. Answer is 2 ones are 2. 2 threes are 6. Answer is 3 centimeter. So, let me take the sums like difficult ones. Where is like G? 24 centimeter. So, radius will be half of 24. If you don't want to divide here, you can draw normal division and find the answer. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. So, my answer is 12. So, answer 12 centimeter. So, H1. 32 centimeter. So, radius is half of 32. And divide directly, you can use this method to divide. 2 ones are 2. 2 16s are 32. So, my answer is 16 centimeter. I show you one more sum. So, let us take I sum. In the I sum, the question here is diameter is 36 centimeter. So, radius will be half of 36. That is 2 ones are 2. 18s are 36. Answer is 18 centimeter. So, I have solved 5 sums. I want you to try the other 5 sums and we will discuss in the interactive class. And notes I will send in the Moodle children. So, please don't copy anything in the classwork book. When I send in Moodle, you can refer that and write your classwork. If you have any doubts, ask me in the interactive class. Thank you.